What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Bachira from Blue Lock in his ego slash sort of maybe monster eyes. I don't know what the official phrase for it. I call it egoist sort of form with those swirling black eyes. So landscape page. Use a pencil and an eraser for these. Sketch them out lightly. Hit pause if I go too fast. So he's running. His head's quite down low, right? So center point of my page is about here. We'll come down a little bit and we'll start with the eyes, right? So big wide eyes on him. So let's go. So we just go big curve. Like that. And then it curves back down this way. Kind of around like so. There's a bit of a gap and then, so imagine that keeps going. You know, he's got these little dashes, right? So what you got to do is add the dark anime sort of eyelashes, right? So you got to like draw around again. And it kind of stops down here. Right, so and in all there is black. Okay, and there'll be sort of extra lines kind of coming off here. And an extra one coming off the back as well. Okay, so his monster eye is kind of like oval-ish, sort of not really a perfect circle, kind of like stretched like this way. Right, and then pupil inside, just left white, kind of makes him look insane. And then what you got to do is you got to do all these spirals around, right? Like all these circle lines. And you nearly have to fill the whole thing. Okay. And then we have an eyelid line just above here. And it has some hatching on the eyelid area here. Goes underneath his hair a little bit, and there's a little bit of hatching just down here too. You can't see a lot of that because his hair covers. Right, we go over and do the same thing on the other side. So his head's kind of tilted a little bit, so you're going to go down diagonally and then draw that same sort of shape again. Okay, and then around underneath. And again, we just bring this line and we leave a sort of an area, like a gap. And then darken up. So draw around again. This goes into here. And just color that black. The lines coming off the back and the front, like so. And like some hatching around as well. And then that big sort of ovally iris inside. Another one. You got to make them look kind of crazy, so all right, and then so eyelid line above with some hatching just on it like this. These big crazy eyes. Okay, so we can't really see his eyebrows because they're covered by his hair, so we'll just go down and do his nose. So we just have this V just down here. Like little dots on the edge, and then there's some hatching lines. that. And then we have a big smile line here and here. So it starts right underneath his eyes, right? And then it like comes across right underneath the nose, back up to there. And then this curves across underneath, so to show the bottom lip. So he's got this like demonic sort of smile, right? And then we got a bit of a shadow just in the corner. Like that. And we add some lines just for teeth. And you gotta just add some little spiky ones. You don't have to draw everything in. And then maybe some shadows just in the corner here. And his bottom lip, real small, bit of a shadow underneath. And then his chin, like that. And then this comes up the side. Like so. And then just about mouth level is where you start to turn up for the side of the face, right? So you start to go up this way. And then this sort of becomes his ear, just kind of a bump for his ear here. Goes up that way. Little bump. Goes up there. And we can see his sideburns for his hair just beside this. So he has some hair that comes across the ears. Like so, and then like one here as well. So like some spikes kind of coming off his hair. Like that, right? And then his ears come down from there. And you can just see some ear lines inside. They actually draw in some shadow just in here. Right, so now the rest of his hair. So he's got like a fringe that comes all the way across his head. So we just got to start doing that now. So there's no easy way really. So you just start adding the hair spikes. They kind of get square. There's some ones sticking up here. Remember, hair moves, so don't worry if it's not exactly like mine. Once you just get the general sort of shape. That, and he has tiny eyebrows, and you can only see like maybe a little bit of it in there. Can't really see the other one at all. so, and then down the back of his head, and then it'll go the whole way around. So he's running, right? So it's all crazy, right? So it's all going everywhere. Right, so all these spikes, there's no way of really describing it, it's just spiky hair basically. It goes off the top of my page. And then we got to do something similar on this side. So coming out from behind his ear again. So we'll go down here and we do the same sort of thing. Just lots of these spikes. I'll try and go a bit faster this time. So that's like going in there. So then it seems to start to curve here. Kind of go back this way. And then we have some like texture lines all inside here. Extra hairlines just in here. Right. Hair is always like tricky in anime. Okay, so he's got a vest on, right? So like, say like his collar of it will go underneath his chin just here. Right, and the other side of it comes down just from his hair. It kind of like bumps in like this, right? So he's running. It's out like that. Okay. And the other sleeve will be sort of here somewhere. And it goes underneath his armpit. Back down, and then you'll have like 4 lines, and it says Team Z on this. So we go capital T E. And we're just thicken this up. then the Z is just like here. Okay, lines like that. Right, so then his arm up here, right? So he's running, excuse me. So his shoulders and arms are like here. So this is his sleeve, goes behind his hair. So we go like this way for a shoulder muscle. As like his shoulder go behind his hair that way. So then his armpit sort of comes out from there. So this is like his bicep. Down that way. Tricep. And then like his chest muscle joins his shoulder muscle here. And these all go sort of down that way. And then like another shoulder muscle there. So then his other arm is up here and it's all stretched and being pulled. So we go, that's the top of the shoulder muscle there, and then it comes out from the armpit going that way, and then another shoulder muscle there, and then his bicep will go off this way. And then his tricep is here. It goes right up to the top corner of my page, and then his sleeves are rolled up, so there's like all these sorts of fold lines. Like so. And then we have the blue lock sort of symbol here. It's like divided. He's got Team Z written on his thing here. Okay, and then like more fold lines on his body. And then if you want, you can add the purple, you can add your color, you know, purple stripes and stuff. And blue all here. But that's it. That is how to draw Bachira, Egoist. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.